Hello guys, I'm Error Slayer and today I will show you how to fix error code VIN84 in Valorant. If you're ready, let's get started. As a first step, type services into the search bar and open it. Click on a random one and press the V key. Find VGC, right-click on it and select Properties. In the tab that opens, select Automatic for startup type. Then click Start. Click Apply. Then click OK. Next, type Run into the search bar and open the Run command. You can also open the Run command by pressing the Windows and Enter keys simultaneously. Type msconfig in the Run command and click OK. Click the Services tab. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. Find VGC and check the box next to it. Finally click Apply, then click OK. After making all these changes, don't forget to restart your computer. Hopefully, the How to Fix Error Code VIN84 in Valorant tutorial video solved your problem. If it did, please subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a nice day.